Hi, I'm Tom Lu from Texas. Today I'm going to talk about Rock Island M200 revolver. Revolvers have been the primary firearm for heroes and villains alike for centuries. The history of revolvers goes back to hundreds of years ago. They are the first handguns that were designed to fire repeatedly. Revolvers have been used by the military and the police for over 100 years until they were replaced by semi-auto pistols, largely due to their limitation on round capacity. Although revolvers have been phased out among the military and the police, they are still highly desirable for civilian gun owners for a number of reasons. Their classic design, reliability, and simplicity make them attractive for collection and self-defense. There's a saying that no gun collection is complete without having a revolver. This particular revolver, Rock Island M200, is manufactured by Arms Corps in the Philippines. Arms Corps is known for their high quality and low-budget 1911 pistols and revolvers. Today, we're going to take a look at its features and performance. Rock Island M200 revolver features 4-inch barrel, a combat polymer grip, and a parkerized finish. It's chambered for 6-round 38 special cartridges. The overall length is 8.8 inches. The height is 5.5 inches. It weighs 1.76 pounds. The trigger pull is a single and a double action. I estimate the double action is about 8 pounds. The single action is about 4 pounds. Both single and double actions are very smooth. The 4-inch barrel provides a good option for accuracy. The gun feels solid and rugged in hand, and the recoil is very manageable. Every part seems to work smoothly. There's something about a revolver that has always fascinated me. Perhaps it's the function and the history of it. It's the first repeating handgun that men have ever invented. Colt single-action Army and Smith & Wesson Model 10 are the legendary revolvers, which played important roles in the U.S. history and influenced the design of most revolvers today. A revolving cylinder containing multiple chambers is the centerpiece of the revolver's design. The simple design of the revolver provides ease of use and reliability. It's well suited for people who have difficulties in operating the more complex semi-auto pistols. Handling a revolver feels like holding a piece of American history. It was involved in numerous wars that the United States has fought in history and battles on urban streets. A symbol of the rugged frontier spirit and American struggle for justice, peace, and freedom.